How's everybody? I hope that you are all well and working good. And thank you for coming in my YouTube channel. And for those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I uploaded a new video. Alright, so in today's video, I am going to share to you my experiences during and after my Sinovac vaccination. Because some of you were asking about how did you feel? What preparation did you make? Because some of you have the fear of what will happen to you after vaccination, or what will you feel, will I get sick? I understand that in social media right now there's a lot of informations that we are not sure if it's true or not. Some videos of after vaccination, after 2 days they got sick and then they pass away. That's the thing that makes other people fear to go for vaccination. So in today's video, I want you to take a look on my experiences before and after my vaccination. Alright guys, so for my first dose, I got it last April 22. Of weight. So I just stayed at home. Thanks God it works. And I also add prayers, of course, during those moments. For the first dose, I felt those side effects. So for the second dose, I don't feel anything. So after my vaccination, it's still the same. Second vaccination, they ask you to take your blood pressure. After that, you have your vaccination, and then you stay for 30 minutes. You wait for the reaction. How is it? If it's okay, then you can go home. So for the second dose, my fear is already lessened. I said whatever happens, I can manage this one, because in the first dose, I handled it. So in the second vaccination, I feel okay. Though some of the teachers, every time they are done from the vaccination area, when they come out, it's so hurt. You know, like they are just tricking us. It's so hurt. This one is different from before. But I'm not afraid. The other teachers are already panicking. But thankfully, everything went well. And this is already. Oh, I got my second dose May 24. May 24, and now it's already June 6. So it's already 3 weeks. Or 2 weeks maybe. 2 weeks after my second dose, and I feel okay. Alhamdulillah. Thanks God. So, guys, I just want to share this one for your knowledge. In case you experience this kind of side effects that I experienced, you can do also the one that I did. This is just an information that you can follow. It's up to you. So if ever you have your first dose and you feel those kinds of symptoms, don't lose hope. Number one thing that you need to put in your mind, that is just a side effect, and you need to eat food. Eat food. Even though your taste is not okay, you need to eat, because that is one way of fighting the weakness in your body, and of course your fighting spirit in your mind. I need to be okay. I need to be okay, especially for you, my fellow OFWs outside Philippines, and all my friends, Indonesian friends who are outside Indonesia. If you feel that you can do also this one, you can do this. And I believe, though there are many people are saying that what is the use of vaccination, they say that even though you are vaccinated, you will still can be test positive in COVID. So what's the use of vaccination? But in my opinion, I feel better now. I feel better. I feel confident in going outside, even though I still follow the protocols. I have the confidence that I'm okay wherever I am, because though this Sinovac vaccine, they said it's just 50% compared to the person who is not vaccinated, more possibilities are given to the one who is not vaccinated to be tested positive in COVID. So when you have this vaccine in your body, you will feel like, I'm okay, I will be okay. And remember, I felt that, I don't know if this is true, as we OFWs and all travelers, they already required vaccination. So this is one way of making ourselves okay, making ourselves feel better. And if we are not vaccinated, what will happen to us when we travel? They ask for it. They ask for the certificate. It seems like, yes, thanks God, I'm graduated from vaccination. Now I can go home. Even though in my place in the Philippines, vaccination is not a guarantee that you will not be quarantined. You will still have quarantine. You will still undergo quarantine. But at least in yourself, for me, I feel I'm protected. And of course, we have the only one God who is protecting us. Believe it and it will happen. So this COVID will we need to put in our mind that this COVID will not destroy our future. We can still move on. We can still move on with making things normal again, like there's no COVID. But we need to bear in mind to observe the protocols, health protocols. Alright guys, so that's it for my experience. I hope that this helped you, and don't be afraid to be vaccinated. For me, that is my first dose experience is the worst one. My first dose experience side effect on my body. For me, the side effect on my body is on the first dose. But the doctor said, when I asked the doctor, will I feel the same side effect as before in my first dose. And then the doctor said, yeah, possibility you can still feel the same side effect, or it depends on your immune system. Don't be afraid to be vaccinated. Please go. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me and listening to my experience. Alright. See you again, guys, in my next video. And take care always.